On problem number 17, we have a multiplication. Remember, whenever we have a multiplication, we just need to factor each one of them and cancel, 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 cancel. Factor, 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 cancel, 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 cancel. So what can I factor from the first one? Let's see. I notice that this is a negative, so I'm going to have to factor a negative number. One number divides 3 and 6. I can factor a negative 3. Do they both have an x? Yes, so I can take an x as well. What's left behind? We have negative 3x multiplied by x gives me negative 3x squared, and negative 3x times a negative 2 gives me a positive 6x. Denominator. Can I factor anything out? No. Double parenthesis. Factors of x squared will give me x and x. Factors of 9 will give me 3 and 3, and they both should be positive. Multiply by. Now, what can I factor from the numerator? So one number divides 3, 15, and 18. I can factor a 3. Now, I notice that there's a negative on the front as a leading coefficient, so I want to factor a negative 3. What's left behind? We have x squared plus 5x and minus 6. I still can factor this out using the double parenthesis. So we have a x and x. Factors of 6 will be 6 and 1 or 3 and 2. And they need to add up to 1 negative, 1 positive. They need to add up to a positive 5, so I'm going to place that positive. That's a negative, because that gives me a negative 1x plus 6x gives me positive 5x. Denominator. What can I factor out? Double parenthesis, 1, 2. Factors of x squared gives me x and x. Factors of negative 2 and positive 2. Let's see. I did something wrong, huh? Yeah, that should be a positive 6, because that gives me negative 18. So my factors will be a positive 2 and a positive 3. There we go. Now that makes more sense. So in this case, what cancels out? The x plus 2 cancels. The x plus 3 cancels. The x minus 2 cancels. So what's left? We have a negative 3x, and a negative 3 is a 9x. On the denominator, we just have a x plus 3. And yeah, just be careful with the signs, because that can mess you up. And if you know that there's not enough cancels, just double check your steps. So in this case, my answer is letter B.